Hey YouTube, what's up? Remember how I don't know if you my community or not, but here's what I ended up doing afterwards. I placed the pipe. The old one was galvanized and it was ready to rust or just basically kind of deteriorate, so I put this new one in right here and turn on the water and see what I got. Leaving this open for a few days, that way I can check for any leaks. Hopefully there should be none. This guy here turns on. Blue one goes out to the air spigot in the front pasture. So you just take this guy here, turn on. Wire's back on. And that's how you can tell if you glued piece or not. Take this guy. See that? I mean, it's good and snug. I didn't have a new one of these, so I just put a new one on. But otherwise, it looks like it'll work. And you can see I used the blue monster pipe that I see on it. And you can see I did it right there. And then that's where I did all that. And then over here, let's see if this guy actually works. Actually works. Sometimes turn the wire back on the air in the pipe, so just make sure this right air, the pipe I put in is actually still holding and it's dry. And check out my community post on my YouTube channel, and the name of my YouTube channel is Radical Pipes. And don't forget to check out my community. If you're liking this video, it looks like so far. Just make sure this right here is all dry. See that? It means it's all good and dry and ready to run. Well,